So the original plan this morning was I was gonna come out here to the beach, fly the drone, you know, get some pictures, film a sunrise, which is happening back here behind me. It's pretty blown out. I don't think you'll be able to see it with this camera. But that's not what happened. It is way too windy to fly the drone. And I don't want to risk losing it. So no drone flight this morning, but it's a beautiful morning. And what's amazing, if you look behind me all around, is I've got this place to myself. And it's not really that secluded of a beach. I'm on Hutchinson Island North, a little bit past the power plant, past Jensen Beach. Jensen Beach is a good ways south, I guess, 10 miles. And just a little beach access off the road. And stopped here just to see what it was like. Thought it was beautiful, so I'm gonna hang out for a little bit, shoot a time lapse, take some pictures, see what happens. So I'm back. I've decided to go ahead and put the drone up, wind and all. I think the wind calmed down a little bit, so I'm gonna put the drone up. I hope y'all enjoy some of this footage. So the drone flight was successful. I think I got some good shots. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.